Yes! Oh, he's good, right?
Yeah, that was fine.
Fuck yeah, dude, you good? You good?
But
yeah, there's some blood. What up, guys? It's Trev. I'm back here with another video. So this weekend we got some big plans. We're gonna hit the spot called Jump or Die. I don't know really why it's called that at this point, but I'm pretty sure it's spray painted on a rock somewhere. I'll be showing you that later in the video. Last night we went to Tempest and we've been practicing our doubles into a foam pit. So today I'm hopefully gonna be sending my first Sukahara off of, I think it's a 30-foot cliff there, and I'm super pumped for that. So that'll be later in the video. We kind of got a late start. We were supposed to meet up with our homies, but they're already at the spot and we're still like 45 minutes away. So they're gonna be leaving us rock stacks on all the major turns on the trail because we don't know how to get there. So that's gonna be a little adventure. I'll definitely make sure to keep you guys in the loop on that, but no matter what, we're gonna find a spot and we're gonna send some cliff jumps. We've never been here before, so it's really exciting. We got Kyler here. Yes, sir. Kyler's our chauffeur. We got Keenan back here, and we got Rain Dog. All right, so I'm gonna stop here and I'm gonna chime back in when we get to the parking lot, and then we're gonna start the journey to the spot. And I couldn't be more excited. Let's go! All right, well, I guess here we are. I mean, whoo, it's hot. Literally feels like we're in the middle of nowhere. Apparently we got like a 45-minute hike to the spot. So I'm gonna, you know, put my sunscreen on, get my bag set up, and then we're gonna head out. As you can tell, the air quality is pretty poor. Having a lot of fires here, but speaking of fire, today's gonna be fire. So quick update, we are completely lost. I have no idea how long it's gonna take to get there. Maybe an hour, maybe 3, maybe the whole day. Maybe we'll just get stranded out here. Make some mountain lion and rattlesnake friends. I guess we'll see. All right, so yeah, like I said earlier, we're meeting our friends here. They're leaving us a trail of breadcrumbs, I guess. Not really, but stacked rocks. So we thought we were completely lost and we were kind of getting worried. But now we have this beautiful structure. Thanks, Jeff. All right, now we got to go up this big hill and walk down that way, and then we'll be there. Round 2. So I don't have many regrets in life. One of them, maybe I should have worn shoes today. Oh well. All right, so we've been walking like 40 minutes by now in the middle of nowhere. We haven't found any stacked rocks. We've been walking for an hour, but we hear voices from down there. So, yep, I hear people jumping. Let's go, I think we're here. We made it, oh my God, I was worried we weren't gonna make it. Boy, it's steep. Ah! I better pull up on it. Hopefully it's right over this little lookout here. I'm running, I'm excited. Yes! this spot's called Jump or Die. It says it right there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's called Jump or Die, and we are not dying today. We're just jumping. Also, oh shit, they're eating my blood. Oh, they're everywhere. I guess we got leeches. Word. Alright, so last night went to Tempest. Was practicing my Sukaharas, which is a front flip with a half spin out to a back flip, so a double flip. I was practicing last night off a trampoline into a foam pit, and they felt pretty solid. So I think I'm gonna send one. I'm nervous, but you know what? Last night, after I got it into the foam pit, I was set on it. I was just so anxious getting out here, stressed, just I need to send this. And today's the day. I think it's Souk season. I think that's what Jeff said just now. You ready, dude? Fuck yeah, dude, you good? You good? Yeah! Get him. Just help him. Just help him. No. Good, Trev? Yeah, I'm gonna be alright. Okay, good. Looks solid, dude. I just went over here. Did you just underdo it a little bit? A little bit, yeah. Ah, you good. Did you? I thought you got that first. I'm like, pulled up. That was fat as fuck. That was really fucking sick though. Hey, how did it feel in the air? It felt controlled, honestly. You know, I've never actually turned for a second flip before. And then I kind of
That was your first double?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Yeah. Oh shit. But yeah, there's some blood. I think I slapped kind of hard, but I'm honestly fine. I'm gonna have a beer, drink down the blood. No hands. It is so nice here. It's probably like 90, mid 90s. I got my beer. The water's nice, not too cold, not too warm. A nice little refresher. I will definitely come back to conquer that Sukahara though, because it's eating away at my brain. But we're just having fun. All right, well, after a long day, we're gonna send it home now. I really thank the spot. I appreciate the spot. I love the spot. All right, so we got to the car, and shortly after leaving, we broke down. So we are stranded. We called AAA. We're gonna get a free tow back to my apartment, which is like 70 miles away. But you know what? It is what it is. Uber. Yeah, we're also taking an Uber that's like $140, but we're gonna split it. In the meantime, I plugged my SD card in, and we are watching the footage. Minor setback. We're all a little bummed, but we're gonna make it home, and we're gonna celebrate with some margaritas, or maybe some sleep actually. Showers. All right, so a very crazy series of unfortunate events have occurred.
Don't fucking make us.
So we're stuck, and Ubers don't come here, and AAA is gonna tow the car to my apartment 70 miles away, but they're taking the car and we don't have a ride back. So this is kind of ridiculous, but you know what? Adventure is adventure, and we're not gonna forget this one ever. So we'll see what happens. Wait, what happened?
Somebody stole the cats off my homeboy's truck right now in the parking lot.
Wait, what the fuck happened?
Oh, someone stole my shit!
Oh my god. Yo, this tow truck driver is a homie. Apparently someone cut the catalytic converter off of the car while we were parked. Oh, so we got the tow truck driver here. No one's allowed inside the tow trucks because of COVID, but this guy is blessing it and taking us. So even though we have 4 people, he's gonna take us back, and we are so pumped. Oh my gosh, such a relief. We were really worried here. All right, we're gonna make it home safe, I think. After all that.
It's so far to the freeway from here.
Some people are just amazing. I guess that's the moral of the story.
Hey, honestly, I know we weren't rating it, but you looked it up. You said that.
Damn. It's been a long day. Hey, yo, shout out to that tow truck driver, though. He actually saved our lives. But we're back. We made it. Home sweet home.